look at the weekly analysis. So first off, there are a couple of instruments I like to trade, a couple of pairs I like to trade. They give me the highest degree of precision on using the setup I trade, using the strategy I trade. So I don't like to dabble in other pairs. I just like to do it. I just like to stick to a particular set of pairs. So let's dive in. First on my list is BTC. BTC, we are bullish. We're bullish. I wanted price to give us something bearish when it got to this level right here. But at the moment, it did not give us. It did not give us. It didn't give me what I wanted, what I was looking for to see price go lower. So at the moment, I think price is still going to go high to this level and this level. So let's see how it goes on gold. Um, let's say at the point where it is right now, I can't really say if you're going to see a pullback or a continuation, but I would like to think that gold is still bullish. It's not as clean. Even during the week, it wasn't clean. Same thing on silver. Same thing on silver. We are bullish, but it is much cleaner, right, for bullishness on silver than on gold. I was trying to look for a setup during the week, but price didn't give me anything. For Euro USD, this is the target I mapped out earlier. I want to see this target. I want to see this target drawn to, not necessarily hit because we are still bullish. At the moment, very clean for a pullback. So let's see what happens on GU to a pullback. We're expecting a pullback. Price came all the way here, hit this weekly level and started to go up. So we are bullish on G, but I would like to see a pullback. I don't know. So the thing is, I'm not usually married to a bias, right? I might be bearish, and if I see a bullish setup that aligns with my perimeters, then I'll take it. For USG price, USG price has been in this range for a while now, and if you look at the weekly time frame, we've had a lot of week here, week here, week here, week here, week here for 5 weeks now, and I'll prefer cleaner price action. I took some shots, right? It gave me beautiful shots here and here. I tried to take it long last week. Let me go into it. Let me zoom in. I tried to go long here, but it didn't work out. Tried to go long here, but price quickly took my stop. I wasn't expecting that. Then we pulled back on Friday. A lot of price movement. Then moving on to Euro JPY, we should see a pullback as well. Because we are bullish, just a pullback, but overall bearish. On GJ, we hit this major buy side right here. Hit this major buy side right here. So now I want to see a pullback. I want to see a pullback to let's see somewhere here, somewhere around here. This level right here. And see what price gives us from there. But overall, we are bullish. Definitely pull back as we hit the higher time frame level. on US 30, beautiful. The target was hit. The target ICT was looking for. Now we are bullish. We are extremely bullish. So I want to see price gap to this level during the open. Once market opens, I want to see price run through here pretty easily and look for bullish setups on UK 100 bullish as well. Sometimes I use UK 100 as an indicator for buyers for US 30 and vice versa because they basically move the same way. So we are bullish on UK 100. I took a position earlier in the week. Position earlier in the week. We are still in position actually. TP has not been met yet. This was the position I took. My target was this high. This high. Sorry, was this high. So we spent some time in the trade already. We spent about sorry, we spent about oh my god, it's not I don't know, it's not okay. We spent about two more than 2 days in the setup. Price moved up, gave a give a market structure shift right here, not a liquidity sweep. One day I'll give just a short lecture on liquidity sweeps and market structure shift. So this was market structure shift and not a liquidity sweep form. That's why I held on to the trade and beautiful expansion on Friday. So one market opens, I want this target to be cleaned. I want this target to be met. So that's the weekly analysis. Next time I'll try to give you a longer one. I had issues, technical issues. That's why I had to make the recording really short. So good luck and good trading. Good luck and good trading, guys.